It's coming from Swiss time house since 1946. It is written over here. Okay, let's unbox. I already tried opening it, but it is not yet opened. It is still virgin. So it is the invoice. You can see over here. Price is 2156, but all the time if you surf at Flipkart it is about 2596 all the time throughout the year, but I have bought it at 2156 rupees. Okay, let's keep it aside and unbox. Last time I ordered the Casio F91W, it was not wrapped in this ear wrapper. This time it has come. So you can see over here D131, and this MRP is 2695. So it is coming at vintage series. The box is so much sexy. Okay, does it come out? No, only this will come out. Here are some these are the things which I don't want at all. This is 168WA. This is 168WA. You can see over here. This is warranty card, Casio warranty card. This one is 2-year warranty card. But it is written over here that's an exclusive membership pack is 3-year warranty, free pickup and drop, exclusive and seamless customer support, 30% off on product upgrade, and much more only at 295. Within 30 days of product purchase, I have to get 6-month extended warranty on registered online. I will register online today only. Okay, so there are some terms and conditions. This is module. Wow. This is too thick a book. This is written in English and all other languages. This was absent in previous order. In my previous order I have ordered F91W, but this module, this user's guide, it was not there. I will read it. This office. After reaching office, the first step I have taken leave CL, and this in second hub I will read all this in my desk. Okay, let's keep it aside. Let's keep these things over here, all the things over here. Let's open it. It is so sexy. See, this is so sexy watch. See, it is written over here the Casio alarm chrono, all the same as F91W. You can see this F91W. The screen size we can see the same, only difference is the light. See, here the light is like this only, you can see over here like this only, and here the light is like this. Yeah, this is the only difference. Otherwise same water resistance, same alarm, same mode, electroluminescence is there. Otherwise all the things are same. I have to set time first, and later I will let you know. If you want a detailed feedback, detailed review, I will let you know. So here the serial number is written over here, D131 014 536. I have seen in some watches, whenever it is ordered from Flipkart or somewhere else like Amazon or something like that, people generally complain that this serial number is not written over there. So this must be written over there, must be, because if we want to return it, this number must be verified by the pickup person. So it is written over here Casio 3298 A168 stainless steel back, water resistant, made in China. Made in China. It is written over here that it is made in China. And last but not least, it is sexy. Okay, thank you.